All right, so here we are in our 1969 Mercury Cougar XR7. Do a little cold start here, key on, give it one pump, fires right up, purrs like a kitten, little high idle. Great American V8 sound. All right, as she's warming up, we'll give the throttle a little kick down. Idle drops right down beautifully. All right, so we'll go through some functions here. Lights. Now we got high and low beam. Map light on, off, courtesy light. I got one of the lights working back there, off, wipers.